Okay, I cannot promise that they have stopped, but for right now, they chillin'. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our base pocket, our base page pocket. And we do that by using on page number 2, the base page, and with combination with the base pocket on page number 3. So because I'm doing it landscape and the hinge goes here and an insert will go here, I only needed the 2 longer tabs. I didn't need the shorter tabs, so I cut those off. So we will just stick some glue on here. And we will line it up as best as we can. Corner to corner, edge to edge. Same thing over here. Right, come on. That should do us. Alright, looks good. Alright, so we've got our base page, our base pocket page. Alright, so for the side A, let's see. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, okay. I'm like, uh-oh, what have I done? Alright, what I want to do is, I've also taken another base pocket, set A number 1 from page number 5. And I wanted it to be a full pocket, but I wanted it to be a top, top, instead of it being on the side. Jackie, all right? It would be a top loading. That's the word I was looking for. Sorry, a little distracted because of the kittens. I forgot to ink this. Ugh. Having 2 kittens is crazy. At least they're keeping each other entertained. Alright. So, just a little bit of glue stick. And again, this just helps us to have a little bit of time if we need to adjust. Alright, and I'm just going to put this on as carefully as I can. I think I'm going to go this way. Alright, so now we have a top loading pocket, and then we're going to have a side loading pocket as well, right? Okay, so now I'm going to put the belly band on that we didn't use, that I was going to use in the last pocket, but I decided to use it on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put them down before I put the mat down. I'm just eyeballing it to kind of get it centered. This is where we really want it to be good and centered so it looks correct. Hi, Jack. You coming to help? You gonna come help, Jackie? Oh, let's not get into that, Jackie boy. Jack is my adventurer. Bella, not so much. All right. Cute, cute. Alright, now we need to put magnets on so that it will stay closed. Right, Jackie? And now I have this, and this is from page, excuse me, Jack. Let's see, what page is this on, Jackie? Page 6, right here, and I printed it out on vellum. So, and again, vellum is very delicate. I love the look of it. I know I've said that like 100 times already, but I do. And, but you have to be careful when you're working with it. It does stick down and you can't get it back up once it's down, hardly. I mean, it's less forgiving. Alright, and then we're going to put that. Right. Okay, come on there. Make sure that we've got this in the right spot, right? There we go. Aw, isn't that gorgeous? I love it. There. Aw, that's cute. I like it. Alright, now, let's see, it's going to be in the book like this. So then, turn it like that. Before I put this down though, I'm doing a flip once again. And I want to go ahead and put it down so that the tab, you know, will be covered. So let's do that. I'm just gonna put it to the edge here. Right, Jack. He's like, I guess I'm sleeping now. Like now, I'm sleeping. Okay. And then what I want to do is, on this side, I want to put a pocket here. Oh, it's a little wide. Oh, okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that, because it is a little wide. Sometimes that happens. And so what I want to do, it's pretty sizable difference. So what I'm going to do is it's a 1/2 inch, right? So I'm going to go just another 1/8 of an inch over and give it a good scoring, because now that's going to end up being my score line. And that should make it small enough, narrow enough. Okay, so now let's check it out. Let's see. Yep. Alright, so that worked perfectly fine. And if you want, you can go back and just trim up your little notches here for it to fold just a little easier. Okay. So, I did not ink it, so I gotta ink it while I was on the ball. Okay, so now let's create the pocket. Which should be no problem to do. Again, using a little bit of glue just to to give us a little bit of wiggle room. Oop, too much right there. There. Alright, and I don't want to put it right onto the flap or it won't close. So I'm going to leave a good 1/8 of an inch probably on there. Alright. Sure it's going to close. And it does. Oh, but we do. So what we want to do now is I want to put a magnet on so that it will stay closed, right? So let's do that. That. We wanted to make sure that it had shut, so we wanted it off that edge there. Okay, now we can mat it. And again, the flip, did I even say how I created the flip? Oh dear, I don't think I've been telling. Okay, the flip, I think I did. The flip though, in case I did forget, is just the base pocket, and I cut off all but one small side. This pocket is on page number 5. It's this pocket right here. And then this pocket right there is, again, on page 5. It's that pocket. Sorry about that. I thought I had... So this pocket is number 5, from page number, 5. And from the vellum, I just printed it on vellum. So we just need to make this pocket. And again, I'm just going to use my glue. Just give me a second or two. And I want to line it up the best that I can. Here. All right. That's so pretty. All right, and then the last thing that I have, Gina, Bobina, Gina, you are not thinking as usual. See if I can take this up real fast since I just put it down. Hopefully I will be able to. I should have put the belly bands down first. Okay. So I got these belly bands and I want to put them about in the middle. They don't go that way, Gina. Dearness gracious. Okay. Go this way. These are the belly bands on page 4 right there. I cut out 2 of those, and they are designed where they will have a little gap in between them, and that's exactly what I wanted. That's how I designed them. We're not going to put magnets on them. I am actually going to punch holes in these, And I'm going to use ribbon to tie them together. I like that look. I think it's sweet. Okay, it's just trying to line these up best that I can. Alright, there we go. Alright. Now we can try to attempt to put this back on. Perfect. And then we'll use a ribbon to tie that. So there is page 4. Done. Thank you, Jack, for your help. You were so helpful. Yes, you were. You were so helpful, Jack. Alright. Alright, so let me put it in the album and I will be back. Okay, so I got it in. I'm gonna have to lift it up here because Jackie's sleeping. Alright, so we've got the belly band and we've got this pocket, but don't forget we've got the pocket here as well. And we've of course got the pocket on the side right here. And then when we open it up, we have our belly band. And then we have a flip, and we have a pocket here, and then we have a little pocket there. So that is our little wedding album. Isn't it adorable? Built, not embellished yet. So that is our next video, and it of course will probably be the longest video because we'll be embellishing, which takes the longest in my opinion to do. I will be creating flowers. I'll be making my own flowers like I've done before, so I will link that video up here if you want to take a look how I make the vintage flowers, which will be the technique. And I will be using probably my background sheets like these, and I'll probably, you know, maybe print them double-sided like I did before, and that way you'll have two sides to the flowers. I will show you the die I'm going to use, and of course I'll go through this again. Yeah, I have a new die that I'm going to use to make these roses. I think it's gorgeous. I got it off of scrapbook.com. So I've not used them yet, but I'm pretty sure they're going to turn out really, really pretty. I'm hoping so anyway, my roses. So I'm going to try these with the roses. So let you know how that turns out. And then I'll be using the ephemera and stuff like that. So yeah, I can't wait. So that's the next album video. All right, y'all. Jack and I say goodbye. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, right, Jackie boy? Say yeah. Yeah, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed, and if you have, we thank you so much, don't we, Jackie? But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video so you won't miss out. Alright, y'all be good to one another, and Jack and I will talk to you later. Bye!